Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue for chiffon cake. First, separate your egg whites carefully, ensuring no yolk contaminates them. Cold egg whites whip up with more volume and stability, which is crucial for a light chiffon cake. Also, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and free of any grease. Even a tiny bit of oil can prevent the egg whites from whipping properly, so cleanliness is key for success. Now, let's start whipping those egg whites. Begin on a medium-low speed until they become foamy, like a bubble bath. Once you see soft peaks forming, slowly add about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, a tablespoon at a time. This gradual addition helps the sugar dissolve and stabilizes the meringue. Keep whipping until the mixture is glossy and holds soft, distinct peaks. To achieve the perfect stiff peaks, increase your mixer speed to medium-high. Continue adding the remaining 1/4 cup of granulated sugar slowly, ensuring it fully dissolves. This second addition of sugar further strengthens the meringue structure. Whip until the meringue is very glossy and forms stiff peaks that stand straight up when you lift the whisk. It should feel firm and stable. Finally, it's time to incorporate your beautiful meringue into the chiffon cake batter. First, gently fold about 1/3 of the meringue into the batter. This step lightens the heavier batter, making it easier to mix without deflating the air. Then, carefully fold in the remaining meringue in 2 separate additions, using a gentle, cut-hand fold motion. This preserves the precious air, ensuring a light and airy chiffon cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.